Baking or cooking makeup is the latest trend swooning beauty buffs. Here's what you need to know to achieve the look. Hey guys, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60. Similar to contouring, baking refers to letting translucent powder sit on your face for 5 to 10 minutes after setting your base and concealer, leaving you with a flawless finish. The first step is to apply eye cream to hydrate the skin under the eye. Then use a thick concealer to cover the area from your cheeks to your temples. Makeup artist Heidi Hammond shows this on her Instagram page. She recommends using this Tarte concealer. Then you'll apply another layer of concealer and blend it with a sponge. Beauty pros recommend Stilla's Perfecting Concealer or NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer to achieve the look. Once set, dust on translucent powder. Laura Mercier makes a great one, or try Ben Nye's Luxury Powder. To bake the makeup, use a damp sponge to blend. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and dust off. Now you have the ingredients for the latest trending look, so get to it, ladies. Get baking. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.